Hey, hello there. So, I was cruising through YouTube when I was about to buy this, and there are no reviews. Well, there are some, but they're not that juicy. They don't really seem like it's not paid promo. And there is one actual Roofnest video, but we're gonna do this for y'all. So you go click, clack, boom, clack. Remember that sound? Click, click. That's what you click, click. Now, when you go to put this back on, make sure you do all the buckles so you don't get the top of your car all scraped up. All right. Ew, what is that? I don't know how that got there, but interesting. I haven't used it yet. I've only taken it on and off out of boredom. All right, so we open her up. You gotta climb up, strap, strap, boom, bap. We're supposed to go in sync with my unstrap, but that's okay. We're gonna bring it around town. So let's put this in the car. I'm not trying to get it all dirty. Be that guy with the dirty Roofnest top. It's gonna get rained on. It's okay. Put that up in there. Come back around. Strappy strap, boom, bap. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. But reclamp it like a smart guy, so I don't lose it. Now we bring it back around town. Now we got these ladders. I'm not gonna lie, every time I do this, I get a little scared. But I saw the lady on the Roofnest video. She just straight up like pulled it all the way out. Like all the way. Ah, that is the smart. So you gotta steal from people's other videos first. Nah, I just needed to know how to open it up. Know what I mean? Then we're two hands. Let's put this back. And I have noticed when you're closing it, that is helpful, so you can stuff this. It stays open a little bit. I don't know if you see that, like a little clamshell. I'll put this here. See if that's the nice angles. Push. Oh. Ooh, smooth, smooth. There we go. Ooh, don't be scared, doggy. This is our home. Forever homeless. This is where we're gonna live. Boom. Hi, so boom. This was kind of a bad spot on my end. I'm not gonna lie. But it's good enough to do a review. Hopefully I don't break my neck. How's that looking? Okay. So we're almost there. Now if you're in a storm or something, hopefully you move faster than I did. Alright. And I did read, I guess people have condensation problems and mildew. If you, not condensation, you'll have mildew if you leave it open, you're camping, it gets all rainy, and you just close it up and you don't let it dry. But I'm not sure about that because this has an outer. See, this is the inner, this is the outer. So it should keep it dry. But I'd say when you come home from your trip, open her up. Him or her, or they. So I'm pretty sure, following Roofnest lady, I actually didn't do this the first couple times I opened this. I think you pull. Ooh. And she said something about a click clack. Bring her back. I don't know. Is it a click clack bring her back right here? I don't know. It seems, oh. Hold on, hold on. I might need two hands for this. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. Give me a second. Guys, I figured it out. So, it's kind of I don't know about doing that with no hands or one hand and holding the camera, but if you see that little metal knot right there, what happens is it starts here, you push it, you move it up. It starts here, you push it in, you move it up right there. And then it snaps in. Now if you're a big boy, see, I'm a little like hobbit African pygmy, so I can fit in when it's collapsed, but this is nice too. So you're out, you get a nice view with your girl or your friends with benefits or your hiking buddy, and hopefully you guys don't smell. And then you have this big opening. You can just open this up, but hold up. So you gotta come in here, unzippity zip, right? This and the bug net. Then there's a bar right here. You move this, hopefully you guys can see that, but you line it up. Yes, you see it kind of connecting? Line it up. You push it in. Connect. Boom, boom. You lock it in place. Put this. Oh, push it on. Pull up. Boom, boom. You lock it. Hit this little lever. You close it. Boom. Look at that. Look at all that space you got. Boom. So you're gonna come back. Oh, this is nice and handy. See these little pockets that came out? Little shoe pockets. Boom. Or whatever. That's what I'm gonna do. Nice space. Don't mind my ashy legs. Don't talk about it. So I'm about 5'8", 5'9" on a good day. But it's a lot of space. Good amount of space. I'd say I am a slimmer guy, but you could fit 2 people in here comfortably. 3 in like a survival situation, I'd say. And the dog oak. Nah, I don't know. My head is right here. With my head touching the top, that's a little bit of space, but I have a big ass dog. So I'd say it fits 1.5 in a dog comfortably. Or maybe, yeah, 2 in a dog in between the people. Yeah, so it would fit. It's not bad. We got these 2 little pockets. We got light. So if you take, can you unzip this? Gotta be able to unzip this, right? I haven't tried. Yes. Ooh, we have a light. How beautiful, how nice. So now nobody can sneak up behind you. So you can wrap this up. Oops, you can wrap this up. It is very good air exchange in this time. I will say that. So my outer is all over the place, and you probably want to move that so you don't get any water. But if it rains, I mean condensation, and then you start leaking a little bit. But that is if it gets a little dewy in the morning and you have it open, it's not raining. But it's a nice grand old time, right? Now, there's also these light strips, which I will show in a second. If you can see that go all the way up the top. Let's open the side panel. Can you open this? You can. Pretty positive. Yes, you can. So, same gist. Side panel. Now, I would recommend you get those blocks. I don't know what they're called, maybe leveling blocks or something. That's just an educated guess. So you can level your car out. Because if it's not even, it's not gonna feel very pleasant to sleep on. Also, I don't know if you could see the rocks. They're stopping this from being flush. So yeah, be careful where you set up, I would say. Final looks. The footprint isn't that bad. See, I have a small car, so I wouldn't really want the full load on my car. Anyways, it's the Impreza, it's not a Crosstrek. This is how it would look on an Impreza if you have one, Subaru family. Oh, and that is nice. You can tie it up over here too. But we're just gonna stuff it. I'm lazy. Let's just stuff. There you go, beautiful. So, I haven't slept in it, but that video will be coming soon. On the setup, not gonna lie, compared to the other tents that I've seen, I would give it a 7. It's not that bad. It's not amazing, because I've seen ones you just click clack boom and it just lifts up, but those are really expensive. This is a very budget friendly tent. This is like 1500. Yeah, and it's the lightest one, which is why I got it and why I'd recommend it. 90 pounds. The other one's like some change, 150. It's a lot of gas. Yeah, that's a lot of gas and a lot of weight, and it's weird on the handling. I still like to be able to drive fast like a little speed racer, so the 90 pounds is doable. I will show how quick it is to collapse after I get my dog from running free. I don't know what she's trying to do.
Yeah, I'm about my bucks. Yeah, stuck. Yeah, you know it's stuck as fuck. Activist, bitch, pull it up. Yeah, drifting in that motherfucking range truck. And she got sisters, yeah, tell them come chill with us. Yeah, his gun jammed up. Yeah, that bitch was filled with dust. See, fatter, bucks. Yeah, I'm about my bucks. Yeah, stuck. Yeah, you know it's stuck as fuck. Activist, bitch, pull it up. Yeah, drifting in that motherfucking range truck. Throwing them up in the cut. Yeah, bitch, we tearing up. AKs with the 40s and the drums. Yeah, that shit a must. Duffel bag full of fucking sours. Yeah, now what? Suck my dick so good. I gave her ass an A+. Bought that shit because moving by the sun. Crack, move like guns. Crack, move with dumb. I can't wipe that slut. Nah, I show no love. I came from nothing, straight from the mud. I'm a real nigga, been like that, it's in my blood.
And we're done. Damn, this GoPro is hot as fuck. It's hot as shit. So, not the best, but you get it. Honestly, this shit has my OCD kicking though, or ADHD, I don't know, but the fact that this doesn't get sealed triggers me sometimes. Makes me a very unhappy young man. So, thank you guys for checking in. Peace.